Hey guys, Rhett here at a client's property. Ahmad, so happy for you. Down here at Ahmad's property, guys, and he has this under contract for $75,000. He needs $4,000 in rehab. He's gonna be all into it for under $80,000. It's gonna rent for about $1,200 a month. Absolutely incredible. When you talk on cash returns, you talk about investment rates, guaranteed money. Section 8, guaranteed cash flow every single month. You cannot beat it. If you guys want something like this, just like Ahmad has done, send me an email in the description below. Let's get you started. So guys, a lot of time on the channel, I do these video walkthroughs of homes that need big rehabs. This house only needs $4,000. Very, very minor work. We're gonna walk through it. I'm gonna show you what's been done by the person that sold it and what we need to do to get it ready for a tenant. So come on in. So guys, all new flooring has been laid throughout the whole unit. On a 1 to 10, I would give this floor about a 5. And I'm gonna give it a 5 because most of it is okay and one piece of it sucks. So that's why I'm gonna give it a 5. Now, are we gonna do anything to it? No, we're not gonna do anything to it other than fix a couple areas. A couple areas are bubbling really, really bad that we need to fix. Other than that, it's fine. What do we have to do immediately? Well, it needs new smoke detectors. It needs carbon monoxide detectors. The smoke detectors in here do not work. It needs carbon monoxide detectors. It needs new outlets. Some of the outlets have new face plates. A lot of them are painted over. It's gonna need new locks. It's gonna need some new doors. And it needs new cabinet doors and the cabinet doors to close. And one failure point that Section 8 will crush you on is cabinet doors that don't close. So it needs a bunch of new cabinet doors and just kind of some small work throughout the whole thing outside of the electrical, which is gonna end up being the biggest expense. But guys, let's walk through here. So you walk in, you have our living room here. This house is very, very simple layout, okay? We're gonna walk through. This is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, very simple. There's a closet behind the door, and everything in here looks good. I'm really happy with this, this bedroom. As we move into the bathroom, what we'll have to do here is we'll have to clean out the tub. The tub is pretty dirty. It is a newer tub, but we'll clean it out. It has the stoppers that we need, but we need to get a little bit of plumbing work in here. We have to have our plumber come in here because there is a leak. So even though the leak's happening in there and you can hear the water dripping, we gotta fix one of the faucets there. We have an active drip. We are still good with the current condition of this bathroom. So really small vanity here, really, really tight, but we make the fit, so we're good to go. Okay, we'll end up replacing outlets like this. So GFI outlets, guys, the GFI is upside down and it's got paint all over it. So, and it's not working. We tested it earlier, so it's not working. So that's gonna have to come out as well. Now, a little Jack and Jill situation, and that's what you call a bathroom like that, that is in between 2 bedrooms. So here we have bedroom number 2. Again, outlets painted over, we gotta replace those. But everything else in here, guys, looks pretty good. So, little busted door catch right here. We're gonna replace that as well. And then we move into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3, we have our closet right here. A little bit smaller than the other ones, but off of bedroom number 3. And of course, again, we tested this outlet as well. This outlet's painted to the wall. We gotta fix that too. We come from bedroom number 3 right into the kitchen. Now, right in the kitchen, bad outlets again. We gotta take these off the wall, put new outlets in. This entire switch has been painted over, but I mean, I guess that's okay. Not ideal. Flooring in here, guys, is good to go. New light fixture, we have our washer dryer hookups right here. Every single one of these cabinet doors needs to be fixed. We will fail an inspection every single day of the week for cabinet doors that don't close. Okay, so all these were just painted over very shoddily. As you can see, the person that did this really just didn't care. Just threw a bunch of different knobs on these cabinets, painted over them, and said, you know, we're done. So definitely need some small things just to get it ready for a tenant. Because guys, at the end of the day, right, one thing that's really important is it has to work for the tenant. Nobody's gonna come in here in the current condition, see the outlets painted over, see the cabinet doors open, see that there's a bubble in the floor like this. See that? I mean, we gotta nail that down. And there's 4 or 5 places in here that have that issue. Nobody's gonna come in here and say, wow, I can't wait to rent this. So we're not too far off. We're close. But there are things that need to be done to bring this house to the next level. And that's what we're gonna do. And you think about it, spending $4,000 on a rehab is nothing in comparison to how far that'll go when there are some small things we can do in here just to make this unit that much better. So I'm super, super happy for Ahmad. It's a great, great property for him to start with. And guys, if you want this, it's so attainable. These properties are out there. Very, very low rehab. You talk about a $75,000 purchase price where your down payment is very, very short, right? Under $20,000 plus $4,000 rehab. It gets you right in around $20,000, and then you can cash flow this thing for anywhere between $1,200 and $1,300 a month. So super, super happy for them, and this could be you guys. If you want this, send me an email in the description below and we'll get you all started. We'll get you all set up. See you next time.